Believe, man. That's the dream, dude. Oh shit. Fucking wipe it. Hold the mouse button down forever.
What a tryhard with advanced firing training.
Fucking A right, bro. Yeah, kill the bad guys before they even fucking get there. This is the USS Hold mouse button down.
Oh my gosh, I love this in the causeway. Just gonna sit in the smoke screen.
Go Emden kill. Dude, all you do is just hold the mouse button down, man. It's so much easier than fucking like... No! Take torps. Die. Oh, those torps don't do any damage. No! Oh shit, did he repair? Oh man, that St. Louis pro stop. That's rank 1 plays, bro. Oh shit, wipe it? Is dude shooting at me? No, we're good. I've been noobs, dude, every day of my life right now. Damn it. It's just not hitting him. Dude, I like how you have to go into fucking orbit first before, like, this thing hits anything. Like, you have to go fucking out to the moon. Fucking 9 seconds. Oh, that's not gonna get anywhere. Oh shit, first blood. Nice, guys. Nice. Nice. Oh no, we lost somebody. Oh god, we lost 2 people. Shit. Oh wait, no, he's turning in. Oh god, torpedoes.
Those are some fast torps.
Yeah, they do like 5,000 damage though. Oh shit, there he is. There's a bad guy. Where's he gonna be in 6 seconds? He's 6 kilometers away, and I have to find out where he's gonna be fucking me in 6 seconds. Yeah. It's like literally a kilometer a second right now. Oh man. Should we retreat and help our team over here? Dude, I think we need to help. I think we need to leave these guys over here and head due east or north. We're losing, man. Oh, nice. We got some kills. We got some kills, dude. Shooting at Colorado, at the St. Louis. Synchronize your fucking shots. It's so hard to judge like where things are gonna be and fucking that far away. Oh shit. Oh shit, dude. I'm doing no damage. Doing like a bunch of 898 damages, this guy. Oh, what? I'm using the Emden, the tier 2, what was it? It's German? German cruiser you got from the little mission that they had going on by Christmas. Oh boy. Go to hell. Believe, boys, believe. Oh no, I took damage from something. From what?
Still, Carolina, just sitting over there. Should probably kill him.
The what? Oh shit.
This is South Carolina. It's like 1,500 health.
He's dead. Let's go, little fucking Samson. Oh shit, I don't know like how far these torps are. Propulsion's out. Fuck this guy. No. No. Come on. My division mates weren't all dead.
Kill the St. Louis.
Dude, I gotta kill this fucking guy right here. This thing has an arc the size of the fucking moon.
Yep. Fall in. Dude, everyone's stealing the kills. Could have had another Kraken.
Yeah, except he died.
What? You don't need me to get a Kraken.
Oh, for me? It's a walkie-talkie.
At least his aim is terrible.
Dude, if he kills the Emden, we're in business. I'll fucking kill that walkie-talkie. Fucking idiot. In before I get torped.
Kraken incoming.
I hope they're St. Louis. I haven't even seen him in a long time. There he is. And there's a fun shit to play, dude. It's just like it's comical, really. This shit. Oh shit! Good thing everyone at this year goes in a straight line. All right, business, take it easy, man. That's what I'm going, dude. I try my best. I try to be just like business. And guys, if you haven't checked out Business 6, he's another streamer, really good player. Feel free to check him out, guys. I think he streams more during the day than I do, so looking for a good stream during the day. Look him up, nice guy. Way better than me, so. No! No. Yeah. Belief! Belief!
Go get that Kraken!
I'm in. I gotta like keep doing damage. I'm on my way, dude. 21 knots at a time. He needs to pinch him off. Crack it. This Emden taking forever. Lieutenant Snow, thank you for the follow, man. Appreciate it, bro. This thing's so fucking slow, though. He's gonna push him my way though, which is kinda good. Two more kilometers, bro. Your death is incoming. Cripple fight. There's a cripple fight outside. Cripple fight. Cripple fight. This is the smallest. Dude, it's tiny. It's like my donger.
Dude,
Johnny
the
Walker.
last
What's up, dude?
smokestack on the Emden is covered. Like,
What's up?
The last smokestack on the Emden is covered up.
Yeah, it's not a real
For some reason.
it's not a real smokestack. History,
Why is
bro.
it there?
It's just a faux smokestack. Like, didn't they try to? Isn't the historic? Yeah, it's a fake smokestack. Yeah, didn't they like try to be like a British ship, but it's or like some British design?
Is it a fake Citadel area too? That'd be hilarious.
Oh, I don't know actually. Then why is there smoke coming out? There actually isn't. The last one.
Yeah, it's kind of hard to tell, but there actually isn't smoke coming out of it.
I don't think so.
Get him! Get him!
Where will this guy be in 12 seconds? You keep shooting. Motherfucker.
Stop sucking. Get him.
To get it past. Oh, really? Oh, that's interesting.
Also, you might not want to cap this.
I'm too fucking slow to cap or not cap. Oh, GG. Yes, we won.
Aww.
Tier 2 Kraken. I got it the first time I played this shit, but didn't get it that time. GG. Look at that. Top of the board. Oh my goodness. I actually did decent damage with this thing. Wow. I did over 50k damage in the Emden. Holy shit.